that this video will astound you. It is well known that the Ripple v SEC trial is coming to a close, yet many people are unaware of how significant this moment is on a global scale. After more than 4 years of struggle, Ripple is now about to win the battle for legal certainty. This is possibly the most positive signal in the history of the cryptocurrency industry. Experts anticipate that XRP will increase rapidly. Some estimate that it will reach $500, 0 cents per coin, while others predict that it will reach $10,000, 0 cents. Some even speculate that it may reach the startling $60,000, 0 cents mark. Sounds crazy? You wouldn't believe how near it is. So don't hesitate, let's get started. A brief disclaimer now. A turning point in the protracted legal dispute between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission is drawing near. For the following years of legal back and forth, there is conjecture that a significant breakthrough may occur in the coming days. Following a brief halt in the appellate proceedings, the SEC was given a deadline of June 16 to submit a status report to the US Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. As the 60-day deadline draws near, prominent XRP supporting lawyer Bill Morgan pointed out that we might witness either fresh briefing deadlines or a whole other legal development. In a tweet that went viral in the cryptocurrency world, he underlined the importance. Abraham Lem and other community representatives have even gone so far as to boldly forecast that the matter would be resolved on June 16. In the XRP community, the atmosphere is electrifying. This submission is not merely a formality. This might be the pivotal moment. A well-known influencer in the field, XRP Avengers, cautioned followers to be prepared for the SEC's announcement that the XRP lawsuit is concluded. After that, you won't be able to afford XRP. Although it sounds dramatic, that sums up the great optimism that many people in the community have. In addition to being a legal win, a successful outcome would send a message to the world that XRP has regulatory certainty in the US, something that, to be honest, very few other cryptocurrency assets can say they have. But not everyone believes that we are that close. The absence of fresh, substantial filings raised the possibility that there are still unresolved difficulties at the back end, according to attorney Andrew Balthazar of Holland & Knight. Conversely, Waymaker LLP's Carrie Axel interprets the pause as an indication of fruitful settlement negotiations that could lead to a settlement. Non-party Justin Kinnear filed additional documents related to the case, which further complicated matters and added a new chapter to the already intricate legal drama. The significance of the moment cannot be emphasized in spite of the uncertainties. Ripple's case has come to represent the larger regulatory struggle in the US, and the SEC has come under fire for its erratic approach to crypto regulation. A new chapter for Ripple and XRP, as well as a possible redefining of crypto legislation generally, might be triggered if the June 16th report suggests a settlement. Winning this case would relieve Ripple of a significant burden that has been hanging over them since 2020. For holders of XRP, it may open up previously unheard of institutional relationships, payment network adoption, and worldwide utility. The countdown has officially started, and the coming days have the potential to completely change the course of cryptocurrency, regardless of your level of optimism. Naturally, there is a lot of noise in the cryptocurrency world. Analysts are certain that XRP is going to blow up, not just optimistic. A Manx captured it in a single tweet. XRP will not alert you before it blows up. You will merely observe. This demonstrates just how swift and erratic XRP's movements can be. Others, including well-known cryptocurrency figure Steph, think XRP is poised for a meteoric rise. The majority of investors have waited so long that they may panic sell around $3.00 or $5.00. But what is his particular goal? XRP Dragon added an incredible $500, 0 cents per XRP. While Jack the Ripper has predicted that XRP will rise to $10,000, 0 cents, cryptocurrency influencer Crypto Geek forecast that it will hit $9,986, 0 cents. Although these forecasts may seem extreme, anything is possible in a market that is influenced by network utility, attitude, and regulations. Then there is the enigmatic Forbes story that was published for a short time before being swiftly taken down, which predicted that the price of XRP will reach $59,472, 0 cents. Before it vanished, AI chatbots from Google Bard and Microsoft Bing even verified its existence, which fueled rumors that it was removed due to external pressure or its shock value. Although the cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile and high price projections are never assured, there is no denying the convergence of institutional interest and legal resolve. The success of Ripple may trigger an unprecedented adoption surge. Indeed, the whales are aware of it. Top analyst Ali Martinez claims that XRP whales have amassed over 900 million tokens valued at about $2 billion, 0 cents, in the past month alone. Currently, this group owns over 13% of the amount in circulation, or 7.77 billion XRP, which is worth more than $17 billion, 0 cents. It is rare for such aggressive build-up to occur at random. The whales typically take action based on more profound thoughts, and their consistent purchases convey a strong statement. There's going to be a big event. The claim that Ripple has submitted an offer to buy Circle, the company that issues the USDC stablecoin, is stoking this conjecture. According to early reports, an offer of $4.05 billion was made. However, it was purportedly turned down. But according to some insiders, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, may have made a follow-up offer of $20 billion, 0 cents, which would be a game changer if it were to come to pass. One of the most popular stablecoins in the world would be immediately under Ripple's control if it were to purchase Circle. XRP's ecosystem is being drastically expanded, and institutional trust and utility are rising. Whale accumulation reduces supply, which pushes prices higher from a market perspective. This conduct points to long-term bullish expectations when combined with institutional interest and potentially significant acquisitions. The smart money is positioning itself for a strategic accumulation phase, which is indicated by all the indicators. Let's now discuss international finance. In addition to waging a legal battle, Ripple is establishing the groundwork for international payments in the future. In recent research note, Deutsche Bank openly supported XRP and connected it to the European Union's upcoming 2025 market and cryptocurrency asset legislation. This might change everything. MiCA provides legal clarity in the EU, and XRP is a natural fit for this law as a utility token. XRP is completely in line with the new legal framework, in contrast to Bitcoin or Ethereum, which do not have a central issuer and are not covered by. For European institutions searching for compliant assets, this makes it the preferred token. Clearer regulations would encourage business adoption, which will raise prices, according to Deutsche Bank. That is a fundamental change, not conjecture. Institutions are watching XRP and are prepared to take action. They are no longer passive. The combination of MiCA in the EU, Ripple's court wins in the US, and the increasing interest from major banks may make it possible for XRP to establish itself as a key asset in international finance. More than 100 banks across the world currently employ Ripple's payment systems, include reliable coin power and legal clarity. You're on the verge of financial revolution. In summary, the legal cloud is clearing, institutions are lined up, whales are buying in bulk. The XRP army is keeping a close eye on things, and XRP is poised for a historic breakout due to a combination of whale accumulation, institutional endorsements, regulatory victories, and wild predictions. Now, the question is straightforward. Are you prepared? Please share your opinions in the comments section. Are you optimistic about XRP? Is the $10,000 0 cents prediction merely hype in your opinion, or is it realistic? Please let me know your timeline, price targets, and if you plan to purchase, hold, or wait. Please remember to subscribe for more in-depth cryptocurrency updates, like the video, and leave a comment if you found this content useful. Thank you for viewing, and keep checking back. The upcoming chapter of XRP's history may be the most significant one to date. Disclaimer: this movie is solely meant to be informative and instructional. It isn't financial guidance. Before making any investing decisions, please conduct your own research and speak with a financial advisor.